We saw Titan's cameraman getting infected by the Astros. I'm Luke Smith, but now do you? We are not trying to play games with you, boy. I'm trying to say, do you want to team up with the Skibbity toilets from all of us? I think that sounds like a deal. What do you say? I just came out with right. Wait, Titan, team him out.